What is business analytics? Business analytics is the practice of using data and statistical methods to identify patterns and insights in business data, with the aim of improving decision-making and optimizing business performance. It involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of large and complex data sets to gain insights and inform strategic business decisions. Business analytics includes various techniques such as data mining, machine learning, statistical analysis, and predictive modeling. These techniques can be used to identify trends, forecast future outcomes, and help businesses make data-driven decisions. Some examples of business analytics applications include market segmentation, customer profiling, demand forecasting, supply chain optimization, fraud detection, and risk management. In today's data-driven business environment, business analytics has become an essential tool for businesses to gain a competitive edge. By analyzing large and complex data sets, businesses can identify patterns and insights that were previously hidden, enabling them to make more informed decisions and improve overall performance. A growing job and consultancy opportunities of business analytics. The job market for business analytics is currently strong and is expected to continue growing in the coming years. As more and more businesses adopt data-driven decision-making practices, the demand for professionals with skills in business analytics is increasing. Some of the most common job titles in the field of business analytics include data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, and business intelligence analyst. These roles involve using data and statistical analysis to inform business decisions, improve performance, and drive growth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, the job outlook for operations research analysts, which includes many jobs in business analytics, is expected to grow 25% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. The BLS also reports that the median annual wage for operations research analysts was $86,200 as of May 2020. There are many industries that employ business analytics professionals, including finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and technology. Some of the top employers of business analytics professionals include Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Google, and Deloitte. Overall, the job market for business analytics is strong and offers a wide range of career opportunities for professionals with the right skills and expertise. With the growing importance of data-driven decision-making in business, the demand for skilled business analytics professionals is likely to continue growing in the coming years. How to become a business analyst? There are several tools that are commonly used in business analytics. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis that allows users to create complex calculations, charts, and pivot tables. It is widely used in business analytics because it is easy to use and accessible to non-technical users. Excel can handle large data sets, but it has some limitations compared to more advanced tools, such as its lack of support for machine learning algorithms. 2. SQL. SQL is a programming language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. It is essential for accessing and querying large data sets stored in databases, and it allows users to perform complex calculations and filtering operations. SQL is used in business analytics to extract data from databases and perform data transformations, aggregations, and joins. 3. Tableau. Tableau is a popular data visualization tool that allows users to create interactive dashboards, charts, and graphs. It has a user-friendly interface that allows users to drag and drop data to create visualizations without writing code. Tableau is used in business analytics to explore and present data in a clear and understandable way. 4. R programming. R is an open-source programming language used for statistical analysis and data visualization. It has a large number of libraries and tools specifically designed for data analysis, such as dplyr, ggplot2, and tidyr. R is widely used in academia and industry for its powerful data analysis capabilities, such as statistical modeling, machine learning, and data visualization. 5. Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that is widely used in data analysis and machine learning. It has a large number of libraries and tools specifically designed for data analysis, such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Python is used in business analytics to perform data cleaning, pre-processing, and modeling. 6. SAS. SAS is a software suite used for data analysis, reporting, and predictive modeling. It has a variety of tools and modules for data analysis, such as SAS Enterprise Miner, SAS Visual Analytics, and SAS Data Management. SAS is widely used in business analytics and is particularly popular in the finance and healthcare industries. 7. Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft that allows users to create interactive dashboards and reports. It has a user-friendly interface that allows users to connect to various data sources and create custom visualizations. Power BI is used in business analytics to create data-driven reports and dashboards that can be shared across organizations. In summary, the tools used in business analytics can range from simple spreadsheet software to complex programming languages and advanced data visualization tools. The choice of tool will depend on the specific needs of the organization and the nature of the data being analyzed. It's important for professionals in the field of business analytics to stay up to date with the latest tools and technologies in order to remain competitive in this rapidly evolving field.